Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you from McHenry, Illinois, here at Allendale's corporate headquarters. Today is Monday, December 20th, 2010, the week of Christmas. This is a shortened trade week. The markets are closed on Friday, and we will not be in the office. So just a heads up for you. If you have any marketing you want to get done before the Christmas holiday, give us a call prior to the close of business on Thursday. What happened here today? Well, we were stronger. We were stronger overnight. Follow through buying off of the significantly strong close we saw on Friday technically to the grains. They continued to spill over into some buying Sunday night. Held our markets higher here today. We actually had that March corn getting up above $6 today, 6.04 being the high. We closed that March contract up today at $5.99.5. That was up 3 on the day. Soybeans up 16.5, 13.15 is where they settled out at. That's a strong close as well, up above 13 for a second day in a row now. 13 being support. Wheat up 12.75 today, 769.5. So you can see the grain markets that we watch did have a stronger day. The dollar was higher today as well. We're up 21 right now at 80.97. Strong day in the dollar. Crude, as the grains were getting ready to close up, crude started rallying, made some new highs on the day. Crude right now at 89.24, up 64 cents on the day. Just overall commodity buying. Looked like the funds were in here, both the grain markets, cattle markets, or I should say livestock markets overall. Hogs were higher as well. You go out into the metals and some of the other energy markets, just overall buying here today. Our sources on the floor telling us that everybody down there excited about the first of the year, all bulled up, going to run the markets on higher. So we'll see what happens as the year does come to a close. If we're able to maintain this stronger move, we have options going off this week for March grains. Those expire on Thursday here. So if you have options in and you don't want to get exercise, make sure you're talking to your brokers about getting out of them and getting that done before the close of business on Thursday. Over into the livestock markets now. A very interesting day, specifically if you are an individual watching feeder cattle. The feeders were up well over $2 in some of the more deferred contracts here today. We made new contract highs across the board. Feeders in the nearby contract, January up 172.5 at the close, 120.75 is where they closed up. Fat cattle up 60 cents in December at 102.77.5, and we had the hogs up 12.5 today too in the Feb contract. 76.07.5 is where they settled out. Question being why? Well, cattle on feed report is behind us. We had that on Friday. A lot of the attention now is focusing on the 2011 year, and we do believe we could see these feeder cattle continue to move first half of the year. All right, into spring months. Second half of the year, we think we're going to see the fat cattle market take off a little bit, and this is all based off of supply. You have a lower feeder herd, if you will, right now. We've had guys liquidating those herds, sending them into the feedlots a little bit lighter because the price is so good. They're going to go ahead and dump them early and get them fed out so that they're getting the cash that the market is offering right now. Do anticipate this to continue. How much higher can they take the prices? Well, if you pull up the charts, we're at all-time highs, contract highs, you name it. So the sky apparently is the limit right now. However, there is going to come a point where demand is not going to tolerate the prices that the cattle industry is going to require for you to buy their product. So we have to find out where that level is and make sure we're getting hedged. Right now, I'd be recommending to sell these feeders on stops. All right, put stops down below support. If we take them out, that's where we're going to want to get our hedges done. But anyhow, that's what's going on in the feeder market right now. Fat cattle, we anticipate to see a similar type of move, but not until later in 2011. Some of the things we discussed today in the research meeting, the conference coming up January 21st and 22nd. If you have not yet registered and are interested in attending, please call us as soon as you can. The room is a little bit smaller than it has been in the past this year, and it is filling up quick. So give us a ring at 800-262-7538. Let us know that you want to attend, and we'll go ahead and get seats reserved for you. Also, we have renewals available for those of you who do subscribe to our research. We have some products out there and some pricing out there that we're offering for a limited time at special prices, I should say. So again, call up. I believe you can only get the special prices if you call in and talk to one of us or Greg McBride. Give us a ring. We'll let you know what's going on as far as pricing on the research as well. That's about it. Expect turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. We'll see what happens here with the dollar tonight when that reopens and trades again. Soft markets were going haywire today, specifically cotton. Cotton was limit up. Then they maxed out the options as well. So we're expecting cotton to open limit higher tonight as well. I think 12:35 a.m. is when that thing starts trading again here Central Time. So keep an eye on the softs. Call in with your questions. Have a very Merry Christmas. A Happy New Year. I will not be in the office next week, so I won't be able to record this for you next week. I'll see you after the first of the year. In the meantime, good luck and God bless.